The kanji belongs to earth, soil, ground. So this kanji, the stroke, that means how to write. So first these, second and third. Here first, second and third. So again first, second, third, first, second, third, like that. And sound do and do, do and do. So by using this kanji, here is word, sound and meaning. So first word, so nendo, that means clay, regarding the soil. Nendo. So how to write? So first, so second and particle third, that means left, right. Again first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and here this one, that, then kuchi or guchi, regarding. So nen, kore nen, and do, this is do. So nen do, that means clay. Tochi, that means ground. So here to, first, second, third, to, and chi, so here is very smaller one, again horizontal, vertical and inclined. So here first, again first, second and third. So chi, to chi, the meaning is ground, to chi, ground. Again doyobi, that means Saturday, doyobi. So do, yo, so here yo, vertical, horizontal, again doyo b, so here b. So do yo b, Saturday, do yo b, Saturday.